Now we're ready for some advanced stuff. This time we will try the first two immersive blocks, Slideshow and Swipe. Slideshow allows you to present a set of slides in one section of the map, where the main content in each slide can be a picture, a video, or a map. There will be a text panel where you can include a title and a description for each slide. Let's see how it works. Let's say I want to present a series of maps for the background of Lake Charles here. So I use the first slide to show a map with the location of Lake Charles. Let's do that by adding a new express map. Oops, not the right Lake Charles. Alright, I can add an image here. I'm allowing map navigation in case, in the search box, in case the audience have no idea where this is. Gonna save the image. Now I can add another slide and using another map to show a more close-up view of Lake Charles. This time I don't want to add Lake Charles as a point, but I'm still gonna use this search box to find where it is. Not adding this to the map, I'm just gonna zoom in and I will show the satellite image here. So this is about where my study area is. I could have drawn a shape showing my study area, but I don't trust my drawing skills, so I'll skip that. I'll just add a line of text. And I'm disabling map navigation here. Alright. For a third slide, I'm showing the poverty rate map. Remember I had that in my online map, Lake Charles? So I'm adding this map to the third slide, but I'm hiding the other layers and only leaving poverty. Also not allow map navigation here. Alright, now I have 3 slides. I can drag and reorder them if I want here, but I think the original order is fine. Right. I can also hide or delete a certain, now when I hide it, it's not deleted. And sometimes you don't want to show a certain slide, you can hide it, but you still have the content. You don't have to delete it. Show it again. Now this icon allows you to change the transition between 2 slides to slow fade or normal fade. With slow fade, you see it's a slower transition than between the other 2 slides. You can collapse this panel when you no longer need it. Now you can click this palette here to change settings for the text panel. You can change the color or its position on the map, change horizontal position. vertical position. Now let's preview the map to see how this looks. Scroll down to your slideshow and you see here you can click here, or you can click these dots to move to different slides. When you click these dots, you don't see the slow fade effect, but you can click next to see the transition between the slides. You see here on this slide, we didn't include any title or subtitle, so there's no text panel here. And I can't navigate on this map because I didn't allow map navigation, but on this map, I can. All right, now let's try a swipe. So this is similar to the swipe glass in classic story maps if you've used it before. You put two maps or two images side by side, and with the slider you can reveal and compare them. Let's say I want to compare flood hazard and social vulnerability. So I'm using two images here exported from ArcGIS desktop, but I can also use two web maps. Let's see, flood hazard and social vulnerability. If you're using two images, sometimes they may not line up so well. And here they are because I exported them from the same map. But if you're using web maps, then ArcGIS should know where to line them up. Now you see you can use the swipe to move left and right and compare the two layers. And don't forget to include any attribution information in the caption here. Imagine you have two photos or two maps showing a city before and after a major hurricane or flooding. You can use swipe to compare and highlight the damage.